Hello everyone, once again welcome to Bina's Rasoi. Today's recipe is chicken manchao soup. So let's look at the ingredients. I've taken 300 grams boneless chicken, 1 tablespoon red chili sauce, 2 tablespoons soya sauce, half cup chopped spring onions, 1 capsicum finely chopped, 1 carrot finely chopped, 3 to 4 green chilies chopped, 3 tablespoon corn flour batter, 8 to 10 garlic pods finely chopped, 1 whole egg, 1 teaspoon black pepper, salt as per taste, and vinegar 1 teaspoon. "300 grams boneless chicken. Now we need to chop this boneless chicken very finely into small pieces. So when we cook this chicken, it should get cooked very easily. For that we require very finely chopped chicken in this way. In the pan, I'm going to add 2 to 3 teaspoon oil. In that, I'm going to fry my garlic which I have chopped. Fry for 2-3 minutes. After frying the garlic pods, now I'm going to add the chopped green chilies. And again, I'm going to stir it for 2 to 3 minutes. This all has to be done on the high flame. Now I will be adding my chopped chicken to the pan and I am going to fry it for another 2-3 minutes till the color gets changed. Now you can see slowly the color is getting changed. Even this has to be on the high flame. Now we have to cover the lid and let it get cooked for 2 to 3 minutes. Now chicken is got cooked. Now I'm going to add my veggies. That is chopped capsicum, spring onions. Over here I've taken only the leaves, not the onions, and chopped carrot. Now I'm going to fry everything and mix it well with the chicken for 2-3 minutes. Even this has to be on the high flame. Mix it well and now cover the lid and keep it for 2 to 3 minutes again. Now the chicken and all the veggies are cooked. Now in this I'm going to add my sauces. The first I'm going to add is soya sauce. Then to it is red chili sauce. Black pepper 1 teaspoon and salt as per taste. Now you need to give a stir and let us cook it for another 2-3 minutes. Even this has to be on the high flame. See to it that everything gets mixed properly. Now to this I'm going to add the water. So here I have taken 3 bowls of water. This you can add accordingly how much the quantity you require. After adding the water, we need to boil our soup at least for again 2 to 3 minutes on the high flame. Now to the soup I am going to add the corn flour batter. Over here I have taken 4 tablespoon corn flour with little of water and I have made a fine paste, and that paste I have added to the soup. This gives a thick texture to our soup. You will get to see. Now our soup has got a thick texture. So finally I'm going to add vinegar. If you don't have vinegar, you can even use half of lemon juice. Now the soup has become thick and has got a texture. It's looking yummy. Now to this finally I'm going to add my 1 whole egg. to the soup, and this gives a really good taste to your soup. You can really try this. And now you have to stir it. Even this is on the high flame. See, you can see. Wow, this really looks yummy. And it gives nice taste to your soup. So please don't forget to add 1 egg to it. So you can see the restaurant style chicken manchow soup is ready to serve. So please do try. Chicken manchow soup is ready. So now I'm going to serve it with fried noodles, and there it is.